Welcome to my channel. Building a computer from scratch may sound complicated, but it is an exciting and rewarding process that gives you full control over your machine's power, performance, and cost. From selecting your motherboard, processor, and graphics card to assembling each part carefully, every step contributes to creating your personalized computer. This is just the short version of this video, and if you found it helpful, you should watch the full version on my channel for a deeper explanation. Finally, before you leave, you should take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Visit my channel to watch all my long-form and more detailed videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.